al-mu'mineen. And the one who doesn't believe in Allah and doesn't believe in His messengers, then it is inevitable, it is a must that Allah will punish them with a pain and a difficulty that is much greater, many times more than the believers. Allah is going to test us. May Allah bless us all to be firm. Then He said, the second group of people, He said, and the one who does not believe, the one who refuses to believe, then they should never think that they're going to escape their Lord and this test is going to pass them. Rather, they are under the power of Allah Azza wa Jal, and their forelock is in His hand. فَلَهُ مِنَ الْبَلَاءِ. And this person, the disbeliever, their trial and their test will be greater and more severe than the one who says, I believe. فَمَنْ آمَنَ بِهِ وَبِرُسُلِهِ فَلَا بُدَّ أَنْ يُبْتَلَ مِنْ أَعْدَائِهِ وَأَعْدَاءِ رُسُلِهِ بِمَا يُؤْلِمُهُ وَيَشُقَّ عَلَيْهِ. The one who believes in Allah and believes in His messengers, they will be tried and tested from their enemies and the enemies of the messengers with that which will cause them pain, and it may be difficult for them for a short period of time. وَمَنْ لَمْ يُؤْمِنْ بِهِ وَبِرُسُلِهِ فَلَا بُدَّ أَنْ يُعَاقِبَهُ. The disbeliever, his pain is going to be even more severe, because not only is it going to be in this world, if they die upon kufr, it's going to be for eternity in the hereafter.